On two, Ike says he thinks the storage note was wrong for them as well, and that it's in Deck 1, Bravo 2.